In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate text in Adobe Express. If you've ever wanted your headline to sit at a playful angle or to follow the energy of your layout, rotating text is quick and intuitive. We'll keep this simple and make sure you understand exactly what's happening on screen so you can repeat it with confidence. Start by locating the text element you want to rotate in your design. This could be a title, a label, or any text box already on your canvas. Click directly on that text. You'll know it's selected when a bounding box appears around it, usually with small handles at the corners and sides. Selecting is important because rotation only becomes available for the active text box. If nothing is selected, you won't see the control you need. If multiple items are close together, click carefully so the highlight lands on the correct text box. Zooming in a bit can help with precision, especially when your layout is dense. With the text box selected, look for the rotate handle. It typically appears as a small curved arrow near the edge of the bounding box. That icon is your rotation control. Move your cursor over it, click, and keep your mouse button held down while you drag. As you drag in a circular motion around the box, you'll see the text rotate in real time. Take your time and make small adjustments until the angle looks right for your design. Release the mouse to set the rotation. If the result isn't what you expected, simply drag again to refine or undo to step back. A few pointers for clean, readable results. Moderate angles often work best for headlines, and aligning the rotation with nearby graphics or backgrounds can create a cohesive look. Watch the edges of the text box as you rotate. Avoid cropping important letters against other elements. Because rotation affects the entire text box, any styles, effects, or multiple lines of text will rotate together, preserving your formatting. If you don't see the rotate handle, double-check that the text box is actually selected and not locked or obscured by another layer. Clicking the text again usually reactivates the bounding box and brings the controls back into view. That's all there is to it. Click to select your text box. Then use the rotate handle to click and drag until the angle feels just right. Practice on a few different text elements, and you'll quickly develop a feel for how rotation can add energy and balance to your Adobe Express designs.